Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most valuable technology companies in the world. We'll start from number 5 and work our way up to the big kahuna at number 1. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 5. Alphabet Inc. Valued at $1.7 trillion. Alphabet? You might be wondering, what's that? Well, it's actually the parent company of Google. Yep, that Google. The one you probably use every day to search for cat videos or settle arguments with your friends. Google was founded way back in 1998 by 2 college buddies, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They started with a simple idea to organize all the information on the internet and make it easy to find. From those humble beginnings in a garage, Google has grown into a tech giant. While Google began as a search engine, Alphabet now owns a whole bunch of companies and products. Think YouTube, Android, and Google Maps. They're also working on some pretty wild stuff like self-driving cars and extending human life. Alphabet makes most of its money from advertising. We've all seen those ads pop up in our Google search results or before a YouTube video. That's how they're raking in the big bucks. Their main competitors include companies like Facebook, now Meta, in advertising, and Microsoft in the search engine world. Number 4. Amazon, valued at $1.8 trillion. Next up, we have Amazon, the company that's probably delivered a package to your door this week. But did you know Amazon started out just selling books online? Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in 1994, working from his garage. Noticing a pattern here? His vision was to create an everything store on the internet, and boy, did he succeed. Now you can buy almost anything on Amazon, from toilet paper to tiny houses. But Amazon isn't just about online shopping anymore. They've got their fingers in many pies, including Amazon Web Services, AWS, which provides cloud computing for tons of other companies. Prime Video, competing with Netflix and Disney+, and Alexa, their virtual assistant. Amazon's main competitors are Walmart in retail and Microsoft and Google in cloud services. With their customer obsession philosophy, Amazon keeps growing and innovating in multiple areas. Number 3. Nvidia, valued at $2.2 trillion. Now, Nvidia might not be a household name like our previous entries, but it's a powerhouse in the tech world. Founded in 1993 by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preen, Nvidia started out making graphics cards for gaming. But here's where it gets interesting. Those same graphics cards turned out to be perfect for things like artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency mining. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. Nvidia's main products include graphics processing units or GPUs for gaming and professional use, chip systems for self-driving cars, and AI and deep learning technologies. Their main competitors are companies like AMD and Intel. With the boom in artificial intelligence and the continued growth of the gaming industry, Nvidia has seen its value skyrocket in recent years. Number 2. Apple, valued at $2.8 trillion. Apple, the company that probably made the phone in your pocket or the laptop you're watching this video on. But Apple's story goes way back to 1976, when Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak started the company in, you guessed it, a garage. Apple's first product was a computer called the Apple I, but it was the Macintosh in 1984 that really put them on the map. Since then, Apple has been known for its innovative and user-friendly products, like the iPod, which revolutionized how we listen to music, the iPhone, which changed the smartphone game forever, and the iPad, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Apple's success comes from its ecosystem of products and services that all work seamlessly together. They also have a reputation for sleek design and user-friendly interfaces. Their main competitors include Samsung in the smartphone market and Microsoft in the computer world. Number 1. Microsoft, valued at $3.1 trillion. That's right, the biggest tech company in the world right now is Microsoft. Founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Microsoft started by creating software for the Altair 8800, one of the first personal computers. But Microsoft really hit the jackpot big time with its Windows operating system and Office suite of programs. If you've ever used Word to write an essay or Excel to make a spreadsheet, you've used Microsoft products. These days, Microsoft is involved in all sorts of tech areas. Cloud computing with Azure, competing with Amazon's AWS, gaming with Xbox, professional networking with LinkedIn, and they're making big moves in AI technology, including a partnership with OpenAI. Microsoft's main competitors include Apple in the personal computer market, Google in the software and AI fields, and Amazon in cloud services. There you have it. The top 5 most valuable tech companies in the world. From search engines to smartphones, online shopping to gaming, these companies shape the technology we use every day. And who knows, maybe the next world-changing tech company will start from one of our viewers' garage tomorrow. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. ZP Worldwide's official website is zpworldwide.com for solutions to all your website needs. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter, now known as X, at ZP Worldwide. It's greatly appreciated. We would like to know what company from this list you would like to own in the comments below, and let us know what tech-related topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.